Had a nice night in the shelter with a fine gentleman who just set off, who is quite a snorer. Here's my little breakfast repast. All right, well, goodbye to Birch Shelter, and off we go up the AT, or down the AT, I guess, since I'm going south. All right, see you on the trail. Just a beautiful spot. Let's zoom out again and see that lovely lake view and the bridge. All right, see you up the trail. Okay, I get it now. Rocky Knob, Caledonia, a lot of rocks. Still though, nice green tunnel, rhododendron. You may hear gunshots in the distance, but luckily there's a firing range. Well, good morning. It's, I don't know, 7 something, almost 8. Had a nice night in the shelter with a fine gentleman who just set off, who is quite a snorer. Here's my little breakfast repast. And gonna hit the trail in a little while. I seem to be slower than some of the other thru hiker people. They're a little more honed. But yeah, really nice night here at Birch Shelter. And we'll see you on the trail. All right, well, goodbye to Birch Shelter, and off we go up the AT, or down the AT, I guess, since I'm going south. All right, see you on the trail. A little bit chilly night. Trail. Okay, we're here at the junction of the AT and Rocky Knob Trail. Nice little intersection, and then the trail starts down there. So, thanks AT. See you next time. All right, we're gonna take the left fork here, Rocky Knob Loop, up to the viewpoint. Well, still in this nice upper level thing here. Got some nice trees and sunny skies, but a little bit of clouds. So let's head on down the trail. Sorry for all the sniffling. It's a bit chilly. Nothing like yesterday or overnight. Right, there's the lake, and I think that up there is Rocky Knob. And I'm going up this little hill here. Trail. All right, beautiful spot. Just a beautiful spot. Let's zoom out again and see that lovely lake view. All right, see you up the trail. Okay, I get it now. Rocky Knob, Caledonia, a lot of rocks. Still though, nice green tunnel, rhododendron. may hear gunshots in the distance, but that's luckily there's a firing range. See you, Rocky Knob. Alright. Oh. See the trail actually goes this way. Lakeside trail. Oh, stick. Alright, lovely lunch by the lake here. It's not a picnic thing, but I'm sure it's fine to have a snack. And we're gonna modify my route back on the trail that's unmaintained, so I can really take this road that's there. And yeah, see you on up the trail. Got the Hosack Run Trail and the Locust Gap Trail. We're gonna keep on the Locust Run Trail. Locust Gap. Trail. Hey, look, there's another one. Earlier today. All right, back at Caledonia State Park. Here's where I'm ending my southbound journey, and we'll just do one keep track as I think about doing the whole trail someday out to this place. And lovely couple of nights. Really beautiful here in Micho State Forest and Caledonia State Park. And thanks for coming along. Cheers.